Okay, so in order to be successful on today's assignment, you need to have been successful on the warm up. So let's check that together. So the first one says, what is the speed of a car that traveled 10 miles in 2 hours? What is the speed of a car that traveled 10 miles in 2 hours? So I would highly suggest that you use paper. I would be using, or if you were in class, I would make you use paper on this. And you draw your triangle. Oh, that's an ugly triangle. But anyways, let's just make this our big triangle. Speed, distance, time. Okay, so for this problem, it said what is the speed? So let me draw a triangle for this problem. I'm gonna fill in S because I know I'm looking for speed. It said speed of a car that traveled 10 miles in 2 hours. So I'm filling in 10 for the distance because it traveled 10 miles. That's the distance. I'm filling in 2 for the time because it took 2 hours. I got that from the problem. According to our triangle, if those numbers are on top of each other, top and bottom, we divide. So to solve this, I would do 10 divided by 2, which would give me 5 miles per hour. All right, let's look at the next one. Come on, it goes so slow when I get on here. All right, so in this one, we're not looking for speed, so it's going to be a little different. A cross-country runner runs at a speed of 8 meters per second for 10 minutes. What distance did he travel? So I'm drawing a new triangle for this problem. And this time I'm filling in D because we're looking for distance. He ran at a speed of 8 meters per second for 10 minutes. So speed of 8 meters per second for 10 minutes. Since those two numbers are side by side, I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to get the distance by doing 8 times 10 equals 80. Easy peasy. Let's look at number 3. Okay. Sorry, this is so slow. All right, number 3. So number 3 says a football player threw a football 100 yards in half a second. What is the speed of the football? So we're looking for speed. He threw it 100 yards in half of a second. Don't let this half trick y'all. So I draw another triangle. Let's make this triangle bigger. There we go. We're looking for speed. He threw it 100 yards in half of a second. So 1/2 is 0.5. 1/2 is equal to 0.5. I just chose to write 0.5. They're on top of each other, so I'm going to divide. So to find speed, I'm going to do 100 divided by 0.5. Use your calculator. Yards per second. Okay, so now on your assignment, you are going to be practicing more speed problems. And you might be solving for speed, you might be solving for distance, you might be solving for time. That is why I would always draw the triangle. If you draw the triangle, you're not going to make a careless mistake. So drawing the triangle helps make sure you don't make any careless mistakes. Good luck.